In a major ornithological milestone, experienced birder Shankar Kasirajan has documented the first ever sighting of the rufous-tailed rock thrush Monticola saxatilis in Coimbatore district. The rare migratory species was spotted on November 6 at Ponothu Hills, located around 21 kilometers from the city near Thadagam. This record becomes only the second confirmed sighting of the species in Tamil Nadu, following an earlier observation in the Kanyakumari Wildlife Sanctuary. The verification process for the sighting took several days as experts reviewed the documentation before confirming the species. The record has now added significant value to Coimbatore's biodiversity data and expanded scientific understanding of the bird's migratory routes. The rufous-tailed rock thrush breeds across mountainous regions of Europe, North Africa, and Asia, migrating long distances to winter in sub-Saharan Africa. It prefers open rocky slopes, meadows, and sparsely vegetated mountain terrain, usually above 1,500 meters. Its diet ranges from insects to berries and small reptiles, making it an adaptable omnivore. In India, the species is considered a rare passage migrant. It is regularly recorded in small numbers in western and northern regions such as Ladakh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, and Haryana during its migration in August and September. The new record from Ponothu Hills indicates that the species may occasionally pass through southern India as well, using ecological corridors that are yet to be fully studied. Experts familiar with the sighting noted that this observation highlights the ecological importance of Coimbatore's hilly landscapes. They added that Ponothu Hills, with its rocky terrain and relatively undisturbed natural habitat, could serve as a stopover point for rare migratory birds navigating through the region. They further emphasized the importance of continuous documentation and conservation of natural habitats in the district to support biodiversity. Conservationists have encouraged birders and nature enthusiasts to report unusual sightings to recognized wildlife databases and local birding communities, helping expand Tamil Nadu's growing avian records and aiding scientific research.